So here you have it, guys, your own DIY whitening oil. This oil is super effective. It gives you a flawless whitened skin, helps to clear blemishes, dark spots, and even works in stretch marks. So if this looks like what might interest you, looks like what you might love to learn, then please do keep on watching. Welcome to the workstation, lovelies. Like I said in my intro, that I'll be showing you how to make your own whitening oil. So I'll be showing you all of the ingredients, all of the products you're going to be mixing together to achieve this whitening oil. So I am going to be precise in today's class because I'm going to be showing you how to make 100 ml, give or take, plus 1 or minus 1, plus 2 or minus 2 whitening oil. So I'm starting with a very good base oil. Like, you know that my bases are always very potent. I always intentionally choose my base. So for this base, we're going to be starting with mango oil. Now, what I have in here is my mango oil and my aloe vera gel. Now, mango oil is a super lightning organic oil that has no adverse reaction on your skin. It's very good if you have dry skin, then you should go use mango oil. Mango oil is really good because it's also rich in vitamin C. You know, just like the border of it, mango oil is really good in making your skin tighter and promotes a firmer appearance on the skin. And if you are also aged, then you should go for mango oil because it is anti-aging. Mango oil also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and provides enough moisture for your skin. So I'll be using mango oil in here. And now I'm going to be working with 50 ml of mango oil and aloe vera gel together. So I already have my aloe vera gel, a tablespoon of my aloe vera gel in this mix right now. Now, you know, if you do not know that aloe vera gel is one very good skincare ingredient that you should have, then now you know. Aloe vera gel helps to soothe sunburn. If you've been in the sun for a while and your skin feels hurt, get aloe vera gel and rub it there, and instantly you will feel a relief. So it also helps to moisturize the skin, helps with infection and acne, and also lightens blemishes on the face. How else can you get it? You can't get it any better. So here is my base oil, which is my mango oil and my aloe vera gel. The next oil that I'll be adding is my Nature's Secret. Now, this oil, like, it doesn't have enough hype for what it does. This oil is fantastic. Fantastic, guys, fantastic. This oil is really good if you have dark feet, dark knees. You know, it helps to blend it completely. This oil is really good, and it's not a super pricey oil, so it's really good. So I'll be measuring in my Nature's Secret argan oil. You should really get this oil because it's got fantastic benefits. So that's what I'm measuring in right now, my Nature's Secret oil. Now, if you're watching this video right now till this very moment and you've not subscribed, now how else do I want to say it? Please pause right now, click on the subscribe button, that's the red button below, and do not forget to turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified every and any time that I get to upload a new video. And I get to upload amazing videos. So why would you want to miss this? Just click on the subscribe button right now, guys. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you and thank you and thank you very much. So going back to the video, I have in my mango oil, my aloe vera gel, and my Nature's Secret oil. The next oil that I'll be adding is my clarifying serum. Now, like, a clarifying serum is more like a serum that helps to clear the dark blemishes that you have on your skin, you know. And I've been using this serum for a very long time, and it's all been good with it. Like, I really like the serum. It's a bit pricey for its size. It's about just 50 or 60 ml, really small but pricey. Oh, but then it's worth it. So in goes my clarifying serum. My Amos White clarifying serum goes in next. So this oil is really good as it helps with acne, dark spots, like I said, blemishes, and so on. That's it for my clarifying serum. I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of it into the mix right now. So at this point, I want to say a big, massive thank you. Those of you that have contacted me and have bought my products, especially those of you that have purchased my Halfcaste Whitening Black Soap and my Mulatto Whitening Soap in bulk to resell. I really want to say thank you for the beautiful reviews and feedback. Thank you for loving your girl. So that's it for that. So going back to the video. So here I now have my mango oil, my aloe vera gel, my clarifying serum. Now, so next goes in my 7 days instant clear remover serum. This serum is small but mighty. If you know this serum, then you know. Like you say, if you know, you know. The serum is perfect for this mix we are doing right now. So I'll be adding my 7-day instant clear remover serum right now into this mix, and I'm just going to add it together and give it a good stir. The serum is very effective, like very effective, guys. So that's that for that. So the next thing that I'll be adding right now to this right now is my shenique. Yes, it's a 3-day shenique. That's what they call it, 3-day result concentrate. Now, I always want you guys to know that when you are mixing things, you're not just mixing A, B, and C. You have to have a reason for adding a particular thing into a mix. So sometimes I wonder why you are going to be adding 4 things, 5 things that are of the same properties into the same mix. So you really need to identify why you are adding this and that to your mix. So the shenique that I'm going to be adding is really good as it helps to prevent reactions, cream reactions, gel reactions, helps also with sunburn, helps with eczema, rashes, ringworm, and even troubles that you get due to bleaching. So it is a very good concentrate, especially for those that have sensitive skin. So this helps. It like forms a barrier, preventing you from reacting to this formulation. Now, like I told you, if you had listened to my intro, that this whitening cream, this whitening oil is also good for stretch marks. So I'll be adding in my stretch mark oil right now. So this is like a multi-purpose whitening oil. It's not like the regular whitening oil. This moisturizes, whitens you, clears dark spots, blemishes, and also, guys, it helps to clear stretch mark. How else do you want it? I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited. So I'm going to be adding finally my propylene glycol to this mix right now. So, sorry for that transmission. The power went off, so I had to put on an alternative power to power this up so that I can go on with the video. So in goes my propylene glycol, and I'm adding this for easy absorption of this oil into your skin. Yeah, you want the oil to go straight, guys, and do the magic you want it to do on your skin. So in goes my propylene glycol in this mix, right? And like I said, do not forget that we're formulating 100 ml super whitening oil. So next thing goes in my glycerin. Glycerin is like life to any skin product. You get to see it in almost all skincare products out there because it is really good. Brings suppleness back to your skin, youthfulness back to your skin, hydrates your skin, moisturizes your skin. Gosh, glycerin is gold. So glycerin goes in right now, and I'm adding, because this is Halfcaste, so I'll be adding my whitening glycerin into this mix right now. This glycerin also contains vitamin E, so I don't really need to put vitamin E into this. So that's for that. Now, the reason you have some stuffs on this is because of the aloe vera gel, but when you mix it and it settles, it was going to settle at the bottom. So whenever you want to use those oil, you give it a very thorough shake so that everything incorporates into each other before you rub it on your skin. Now, please, I'm going to remind you that if you've not subscribed, this is the right time to do that. Click on the subscribe button and let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so that I can keep giving you this amazing videos. So it goes in my glycerin. Please remember, we're working on 100 ml. So right now We've got 101 ml of your super whitening oil. And I said give or take +2 or -2. So we're still right on track. So this is it, guys. Your very own Halfcaste whitening oil. If you want to make massive of this oil, like larger proportions, just keep doubling the measurements up. And if you know that you want to make it in bulk, then please do not forget to add in your preservative. But because this is a small batch, I could do without preservative. So that's it, guys. Your own DIY Halfcaste whitening oil, which nourishes the skin, moisturizes the skin, hydrates the skin, clears stretch marks, clears blemishes, clears dark spots, and whitens you. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Till my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.